What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jake here, aka BrusHstroKeZ, and today we're going to be working on the Indasa Battle of the Boards panel here. I'm going to go ahead and just show you the first step. So first things first, we're going to get this cleaned up. I like to use spray away glass cleaner. This is an excellent cleaner. It takes all sorts of wax and grease and oils out. And I use microfiber cloths. So what we're going to be doing for our very first step on this thing, we are going to do some metal grinding. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love the look of metal grind. As if you've been a subscriber for a while, you know I have done a few videos on it. So what I'll be using is my angle grinder here with a pearl abrasive disc. I'll try to leave a link down below where you can get these, but this is just like a metal finishing grinder. So let's get to it. Alright, so we got that ground up. Pretty happy with where it's at. Really digging this. I really love this explosion look where everything kind of just goes straight out from the center. So we'll get this cleaned up. Then we're going to put some clear coat on this. I think that's going to be it for this video. I'll do a separate video clear coating this because I have a new spray gun that I'd like to show you guys and give my feedback on that. So till the next one, keep those brushes stroking.